Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life. I thought I'd show just a tiny little bit of footage of me preparing for dinner later. The cheese-baked, malted, salted Werther's Original cheesecakes are in the oven. And I'm just making the Werther's Original salted caramel sauce on top. Wow, I am surprised how long that took. I've sort of basically finished dessert. I've finished the side dish, which I'm going to reheat later. This is Sarg Aloo. A little bit darker than usual, but that's no worries. Listening to a bit of Fruck podcast. Table is set. That was all Claire, not me. And yeah, this is the pudding. This is how it turned out. I'll take a proper image of it later. I didn't attempt. I tested taking one out of the wrapping, and yeah, it's not fared too badly. So I might take them out of the outside wrapping, but it's not the end of the world if needed to not. Yeah, and then the curry later is actually going to be a lot easier to make than that, because with that you got to make you got to boil the potato, cook. You got to separately cook spinach, wilt it down, blah 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 blah. There's loads of steps. The curry itself will actually be pretty much roughly just bung everything in. So I'll do a little bit of washing up shortly. I'm just going to have a little break. Pop that back on. Yeah, and then there shouldn't actually be that much washing up to do later. So, cheers.
Claim that it would be mine.
Hello everyone.
Oh.
Surprise. Dinner is served, so
this looks bloody well good, mate.
Wow, thank you.
Amazing.
Yeah. Sagaloo rice, thank you. You guys are too kind.
Do you deliver?
I hope it's not shit. Rich is going to show me VR.
Correct.
Oculus Quest.
Oculus Quest.
I have done VR before, but I am fucking buzzing to do.
Correct. I'm going to put you on the like it's called Oculus First Contact, I think. So
wow.
It's basically for someone who hasn't done VR before, like a kind of first steps it's called. So I'm going to put you on that. It's just basically how it works and so on.
Incredible.
And like point your head outside of the blue grid.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's
so you can see. Is it black and white? So you can see Toni when you point your head out.
Yeah, I can see it.
Right, okay. So that's your play area.
Okay.
So like if you so don't go past that, like, because it's custom to this room.
Okay.
So if you turn around, go back to the menu. If you click on with your index finger, look down and click on library.
Or just point at it.
Just point at it and click the trigger button.
Yeah.
You got a button there, yeah?
Go on, yeah.
Oh no, skip. What does it say underneath?
Confirm or cancel.
Cancel.
Hit cancel. Do not hit yes or no.
Alright, now I'm on library.
Library, okay.
Office reference.
So click on.
Hit cancel. Do not hit yes or no.
Right.
Like look at all the amazing things around you.
It's VR.
You can look
VR, Claire, so you can look around. Like you can move your head.
Huh?
You can move your head because it's VR, Claire.
She couldn't hear us.
Oh, she couldn't hear us. Oh, could you not hear us?
Like you can look all around.
I can hear you, but I can't hear what you're saying, really.
Right, sorry, yeah.
How do I play the song?
So let go of the middle finger.
Yeah, the middle finger one. That's it, the one on the side.
There you go. That's just cleaning up.
Oh, I can't get.
Pick up the ping pong bat.
Now what do I do with it?
Well, grab the ball and see if you can.
Oh.
So look back to the middle.
Oh, yeah.
And then click on.
She wants to be in the middle. Yeah.
Yeah.
She wants to be in the middle of
click on
us.
Greatest Showman, or the Panic at the Disco.
If that's out, so
to your side, to the sides, to your sides.
I don't think.
Up, down. Yeah.
Oh.
As in, like when they come towards you, it's a bit like that TV show you don't remember, Through the Keyhole, where you have to avoid like Do you remember that?
So what happened with those?
Is it through the keyhole?
Oh, through the wall. Through the hole.
Through the hole.
I know what you mean.
Through the hole.
We were talking about the other day. What, Claire? What was that game we were talking about the other day
Oh shit.
on ITV where you jump through the hole in the wall? What was it called?
Hole in the wall.
Was it called Hole in the Wall? Yeah, Hole in the Wall.
Those silver suits.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but that's what kind of like dodging the
Yeah, correct.
things was like.
They should release Hole in the Wall in this if it was still relevant.
Yeah.
Oh shit, man, this is.
Alright, shit man, alright Claire, don't get your knife out and stab us, you bloody street thug. Yeah, you do need a slightly bigger space because it's hitting the grid each time and it's a bit distracting.
If you want, you can turn the grid off if you're just careful.
Oh, nice.
Or just make it massive.
Yeah. Because I guess it doesn't matter so much in this game, you just...
Yeah, as long as you don't move or someone's watching you, it's fine.
Am I the best person at Beat Saber you've ever seen?
Well, I'm going to show you what I look like, mate.
Wow.
So if you want to see what a real man looks like.
Oh, wow, what's the dots mean?
Oh yeah, those ones you can swipe anywhere.
Oh, wow. Oh, sort of frozen. Wow, oh, fucking hell, what? Nah. Nah, mate.
There's nothing, mate. Yeah.
Wow.
Look at my bonus, mate.
Whoa! Wait, you've not even missed? Have you not missed?
Dunno.
Fucking hell, mate.
What about if I tickle you?
Don't.